I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select NEX Forms as a trigger. Choose a form. Click the Fetch button, go to your form page, fill out the form, and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Now here search and select Mail Relay. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get domain name, go to the Mail Relay dashboard. Now copy the subdomain name from URL address. Paste it here. To get API token, click on Mail Relay API token. Click on Add to create your first API key. Select the user, and click Create API Key. Now copy the token key. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the subscriber status. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Mail Relay. Click Next. Now save the integration. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Mail Relay page and click Subscribers. Here is the data that came into Mail Relay through the integration. Thanks for watching.